traveling from East Tennessee to Nashville, and I'm gonna stop overnight at a wayside. It's called Buffalo Wayside between Nashville and Knoxville, and they let RVs stay there. And it'll be my first time camping there in the mini camper, but I wanted to stop at Trail, Dams, and Lock and see if we could see a barge coming through. And I was going to set up lunch there before I hit the wayside. If not, I'll just eat at the wayside if it's not open. Though I'm kind of getting hungry. And I'm going to stay in the mini camper here and cook out of it as well. And I'll show you how I do that. Fishing. Here we're at the bottom part of the dam slash locks. There's your locks there. That'd been cool to see a boat come through. There's an eagle right there. That is an eagle. How cool is that? That is an eagle. Well, I lucked out there. Seasoning, got the sauce. The rice is about done. And food is ready. Gonna load up this tortilla and some rice. Oh my gosh, that's good. I don't know if it's just seasoned right or if it's because I'm out in the wilderness eating, or a combination of both. This is what it's all about. Good for the soul. After I'm done here, I'm gonna wash the dishes. Then we gotta head to a rest area where we're gonna stay overnight. Pretty views there too. Check it out. Parking, semi-parking, and RV parking, I believe. I've stopped here several times as a kind of a halfway point from Smoky Mountains to Nashville. I've never camped here. Well, now it says no overnight camping permitted. Well, we're not going to camp long. Just enough to get, I don't know, 5 or 6 hours of sleep. Okay, we're here at Buffalo's Wayside. Everything's pretty much ready to go for stealth mode. Got my curtains closed, a little night light on. Looks pretty stealthy. Now I'm going to head up here to use the restroom quick and call it a night. There's Interstate 40. There goes to Knoxville. That goes to Nashville. Let's go look and see what stealth mode looks like. It's funny, you know, I'm videoing this just for stealth mode, but I feel like such a creeper. I really am not. Just camping. But I have my laptop on and the Lucy light running. But when my curtains draw, you can't see nothing. It's as stealth as it gets. Just looks like a parked car. Of course, I leave the front open to look like nobody's in it. Let's go around before we look noticeable and jump in real quick. Of course, I have my dome light on now. There's your inside. Got my computer, and then I have a little Lucy light just to give me some light in here. Of course, that won't stay on once I'm sleeping. And then I'll draw this here. This kind of gives you an idea of what it looks like inside. My pillow. And there's your outside. Somewhat bright out. Of course, it's a lot darker than you think. The camera kind of lightens it up. And then you come around this way. I think I get some internet. If not, I'm going to use my phone for a hotspot. I've got lights here, but they're not working for some reason. I got them velcroed to the back of the kitchen desk, and I can relocate the Lucy light if I want, and I can bring it down here, attach it to the floor here. It's got Velcro, and then I can see what I need down here for anything. And that way it just doesn't cause a lot of light. It's enough light to be able to function inside without being really noticeable. Well, not noticeable at all. So that was fun today. Hope you liked the video. Share and like and subscribe. And we'll catch you in the next video.
Kids, leave him alone. He's not that good a driver.